is annuity. Annuity is a series of payments, deposits, or withdrawals made at equal intervals of time. For example, shop rentals, installment payment, insurance policy premium, annual dividends received, and loan repayment. Let's go through to our problem statement together. Dewey Hamilton bought a 2024 Mini Cooper Countryman worth $265,000. He paid a down payment of 20% and took loan from AMG Bank charges 7% interest compounded monthly. The loan is expected to be repaid over 15 years by monthly installment. From the problem statement given, we can get A, I, and N value. So A is presented value or discount value of annuity. A equals to cash price minus down payment, which is 265,000 minus 253,000, and the answer we get is 212,000 ringgit. Next is I, which is periodic interest rate, K is annual interest rate, and M is frequency of conversion. The formula of I is K over M, and the answer is 0.07 per 12. And the last one is N, which is number of interest period in the investment period. M is frequency of conversion, and T is interest period. The formula of N is M times T, which is 12 times 15, and the answer is 180.
So question A asks us to calculate his monthly installment, which is R. So we're going to use the formula given and substitute all the amount that we get from the question to this equation, and then we will get R equals to 1,905.52 ringgit. For question B, they ask us to find amount of interest charge, which is I. So we're going to use I equals to NR minus A. So substitute all the amount from the question and from A, and then we will get I equals to 130,993 ringgit and 60 cents.
So now, I'm going to talk about question C. The question states that if Hamilton missed the first 3 payments, how much should he pay on the 4th installment to keep his payment up to date? So the question asks us to find the sum of money he needs to pay on the 4th installment so that he won't have outstanding balance. And we can say that the N value is 4. We will use the S equation for this question because we need to find the sum of money in specific time. The equation is shown as in the slide. After that, we will substitute all value into the equation and we will get S equal to 7,689 ringgit and 3 cents.
Today, I will explain about miscellaneous situation. As we can see, the question is about a method that we can use to count the balance that we need to pay, as in this case is 10 years forward. We need to find new time, and the new interest period as been given is 15 years, but he already paid for 10 years. After we find the numbers, we can insert all the data in the formula, which in this case we use A equivalent to R, big bracket 1 minus small bracket 1 minus I, close the small bracket divided by I, and big bracket and powered by negative N. And afterwards, those are the formula that we will use, and then we will insert all the given numbers in there, which is in this case R is 1,905.52 cents, and insert all the numbers in the formula, and N powered by 60 because we multiply 12 by 5 to get the 60, and then we will get the final answer is 96,232.56 cents. In the nutshell, the formula for compound interest are used to count the amount of payment and the balance that we need to pay to any enterprises, and also we can find the balance that we need to pay after for a short while we pay on the loan that we already own from the bank. So that's all from me.